What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Xtreme Hakim. Thanks for tuning in tonight, you guys, and welcome to anybody who's new to the channel. Thank you guys for checking me out tonight, and welcome back to all my subscribers. You guys are amazing. Thanks for actually liking my videos, man. I'm very amazed that over 8,000 of you guys enjoy me. So let's keep on with it, you guys. I want to check out another amazing singer tonight. One that has impressed me in the past. I've done a few songs by her, reactions. Diana Ankudinova. This girl is from Russia, and she is very young and so uniquely talented. She has an unbelievable voice. I mean, I have not heard this kind of voice before. She can hit these low octaves that I didn't even know existed, seriously. And then she can also raise it up high, and she can... Oh, she has the twist in her voice, and I love it, man. Seriously. And we're going to check out another song by her that she did on that show, Tybal Sign Up. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. But anyways, I cannot pronounce this song. I do because I don't know. I can't speak Russian. But anyways, we're going to get into it anyway and check it out. It's got a lot of views on it. So anyways, Diana Ankudinova, you can't go wrong with that voice. I can't wait to check this one out, you guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and give Diana a thumbs up for this one, you guys. I'm Xtreme Hakim. Diana, let's get it. Got the rain in the background.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
She's already showing the signs of that unique voice that I was telling you guys about. These low, she's got such a uniquely talented, I mean, the voice. I've never heard this low of octaves. Let's hear it. Sings with passion, man. Oh, she's just begun. There it is. Get it, girl. What? Her voice in this beat is unbelievable. They should have hit that button a long time ago. I'm bringing it back. I'm so like amazed right now. Say what? Get it, Diana. Oh! Bring it! Did you see that? I love the move. It was like she was falling forward, but she caught herself. Let's get it. Here we go. Wow, man. Wow. Holy crap, dude. There is no one. Okay. I know a few artists that young that are doing it similar, but no one like that voice. Seriously, Diana is different from the rest. And that was unbelievable. The style and the passion she brings, I loved it. You guys keep on shouting out. Let me know your favorite song by Diana. And if I can't read it, I'll just copy it. Anyways, I'm from America. I'm Xtreme Hakim. Thanks for checking me out. You guys subscribe and give me a thumbs up, baby. Peace out.